This 2011 Ferrari California is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. 2011 Ferrari California Factory Optional Equipment Scuderia Ferrari Fender Shields, originally $1,589. Front and rear parking sensors, originally $1,515. AFS Adaptive Headlight Control, originally $1,864. Red brake calipers, originally $623. Ferrari California Standard Equipment, 4.3 L V8 engine, 460 horsepower, 375 lb-ft of torque, 7-speed automatic transmission, power, retractable aluminum hardtop, rain and speed sensitive wipers, LED brake lights, entertainment system with navigation and Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, xenon headlights, keyless entry, power windows, power door locks, black exterior, black leather interior, vehicle history, low mileage, loaded with factory options. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2011 Ferrari California is no exception. We provide low cost worldwide. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.